Friday, 29th of August, 2025. Tate, Georgia. Down here at the creek. This must be JeepFest weekend. Over here about another mile, they have the JeepFest and all that stuff. We're going to have to take that road one day and see what's going on. Or, you know, see what goes on down that road. Get it, Sheriff? Okay, let's walk here down to the creek. Now, last time we were here, we came across a dead copperhead right here. We've got, this is where we also got the video of the crawfish. Let's see if we get in the water this time. Got a fellow camping down here. Great little vacation spot. Oh, vacation spot. Great little picnic spot. Whole bunch of little fish right there. I guess about a year ago, whatever. They were crawfish. They were the big crawfish. 3-4 inches long, 5 inches long. And we had one crawling up our leg. I don't know if we'll wade out there today or not. That water's deeper than it looks too. We got underwater video here. I'm not sure how far this trail goes up. Whether this is part of Dawson National Forest or not. Been coming here 25 years. Started cutting across from Marietta, Canton up here through Dawsonville all the way over to Lilburn. I don't guess we're going to tally too long here. We will get on over to my daughter's house, get settled in for the weekend. We'll be back over at Frank's by Monday afternoon. We'll put the camera on the windshield so we can check out the Jeep stuff when we get over there. It'll be on the left when we're going towards Tate over there. Saw a big water snake here once too. Plenty of food for them, fish, crawfish. Okay, you know, like I said, it's supposed to get to about 85 today, 63 tonight. Probably about 75 now. We'll turn this off and we'll turn it back on. We'll mount this camera on the windshield and we'll turn it back on when we get out of here, when we head out of here. Well, that was interesting. I met him. His name's Joshua. He's 45 years old. He's a fitness person. I thought he looked like he was in pretty doggone good shape. Got a little extra on him, but not much. In pretty good shape. And he said he was waiting. I thought he was just camping there, or, you know, living or whatever. But he said he was waiting on some fitness people. He does fitness classes, and he's got 5 or 6 people coming. He's gonna put them through the rigmarole, heading up the creek on the trails and stuff. So that sounded interesting. We'll get down here and see what's going on with the JeepFest. I didn't realize it was this weekend, but a lot of Jeeps have been going in and out of that road over there. We keep intending to go over there, but he said he's got a friend that lives off that road and it turns dirt real quick and it gets real rough. That's the trail they take them on for the JeepFest. So he said you really need a high setup to navigate that road. Yeah, see, there they are. They're going around the curve over there. There's one for sale. I should have brought mine up here. If I'd known that, well, I wouldn't have done it either, though, would I? Yeah, but I might sell that 95 to these folks over here. Heavy traffic. We've never been by here when JeepFest was going on. I've always been curious about it, but I guess they got camping and all out there. I don't know what all they got going. JeepFest, Jasper, Georgia, MarbleHill, Georgia. And I know I've had quite a few, you know, Grand Cherokees. I've never had any of the regular type Jeeps, but I really like my Jeeps, but these people are serious about Jeeps. Okay, well, the sun is sort of messing with us a little bit, so we'll go ahead and turn it off. We're going to be pulling into Tate shortly. If the locomotives are out there, we may add some locomotive or some train video to this. We'll see. Well, coming into downtown Tate, we got a traffic jam. Imagine that, downtown Tate. Model Railroad open house. That was the depot. It was over here on the right hand side and they moved it. They got one of the locomotives out there, but we're going to keep on going before the traffic gets bad this afternoon, Friday afternoon. Looks like there's going to be a lot of outdoor activity this holiday weekend. I said these Jeep people are pretty serious about Jeeps. To the right, if we turn, this is Georgia 53, and that was old Highway 5, Georgia 575 took that over now, but this old Highway 5 back there. To the left will take you down through all the way into Marietta. To the right will take you all the way up to through Jasper, on up through Blue Ridge into Murphy, North Carolina. Okay, let's turn this off again.